Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. You guys are watching the Psychic Gem. In this video, we are going to see love in the general for the sign of Libra. So watch this video if you're a Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. Or if you're dealing with one, keep in mind that this is a general reading, so it may or may not resonate. If it do not try to deliberately fit in. Check in any other placement. If you want to have a personal reading, link in the description. If you want to follow my Instagram, link in the description. If you want to join my Law of Attraction workshop, you have to go to my Instagram and then send me a DM, and we will let you know how to proceed with the formalities. Anything left? Sometimes I speak bad words, so if you're very sensitive, click out. Bye bye. All right. So let's see. If you're still here, then hello. Let's see what's up for you guys in love in November, Libra. Give me some messages for Libra, please. Libra. Ooh. Two cards just came out. So we have Four of Cups and the Magician. And the Fool card. You are starting to manifest. You are manifesting a new beginning. I think you feel rejected. Maybe you gave somebody an offer or somebody gave you an offer. The energies can always be vice versa. So take it the way it resonates, okay? So what I see is that an offer was made and it was rejected, okay? And after that, you're just starting a new chapter, basically. So you are not going after it. It's like you be like, okay, whatever, if the offer is rejected, let me just focus on myself. So that's number one. That can be in love, that you tried reaching out to someone, but this person rejected the offer, and now you're just trying to manifest shit for yourself. You're not focused on others. You are using what you have to create what you want, okay? That's number one. Number two can be that you are looking for love offer, or you're looking for love at wrong places, okay? And you have the ability to manifest it for yourself if you play your cards right. So some of you, it's like love is around you. There could be an opportunity which is just around you, but you are too focused on the negatives that you're not seeing this opportunity which is being presented to you out of nowhere. So just like sort of open your eyes, ears, and then see. Some people have this habit of saying that nothing good can ever happen to me. I have a bad luck, blah, 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 blah. So if you radiate those sort of words, you always get them back. So always remember that, okay? That's what law of attraction is. I also sense that there could be an unexpected offer coming your way, and I think you're doing some juju for it. So it's like you're trying to do something, some magic you're adding, and because of which a new opportunity can just come in. That can be in career, that can be in love, that can be in finances, whatever it is. So I think right now you're too bored because you think, oh, I've done so much and nothing comes through. So it's asking you to not lose faith, okay? And there's like definitely a new chapter coming in. Like you're starting a new chapter. Some of you need to come out of your comfort zone. It's like you're too comfortable where you are, and you never get results by being in your comfort zone. So always remember that. All right, what else in love for my Libra? Some of you dealing with a water sign, Aries, Gemini. Some of you, what's coming towards love for Libra, please? So we saw an unexpected opportunity coming to you. Yes, see the cards, guys. Sun, the Empress, and the Page of Swords. Somebody keep tabs on you. If it's a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius especially, they're keeping tabs on you. You come out as you're manifesting shit. That's number one for sure. I mean, I can definitely sense that a lot of abundance is coming your way. So some sort of breakthrough is happening in finance or a career, or maybe your image is improving. Like people are recognizing you. Like suddenly the spotlight is coming on you. People have started recognizing you. You come up this Empress. You come up like this Empress, okay? Very strong, very abundant, and at the same time very grounded as well. And see how this person is looking back at you. This person who was very immature in the past, they rejected your offer, they now look back at you. So it's like they're not able to move on from you. This person just like keep tabs on you, like, oh my god, did I just mess up with the Libra? The Libra is shining now. Okay, I also see kids here very dominantly. So maybe some of you have kids with this person, or you want to have kids and you're manifesting that. You tried it in the past, it did not get through, but now I see that you might conceive. So yeah, if you want to be a mom, you want to be a dad or something, I can see that happening in November, guys. So that's gonna happen. So yeah, what else What else for love life? I see so many good cards, like 3 freaking good cards, and all of them major arcana. You guys are up to a very big glow up, or you're already having that glow up moment and people are recognizing you're doing something, guys. What are you doing? Let me know in the comments. You are definitely either you're manifesting, you're visualizing, praying, doing affirmations, but it's paying back. So whatever shit you're doing, it's paying back. 2 of Pentacles, yeah, like somebody I think rejected you over a third party situation. Now they look back at you. So a juggler is falling flat on your face, falling flat on their face. Hierophant, this person wants marriage with you. Somebody is looking for a commitment with you and like marriage. Expect a marriage offer coming your way. Clarity, clear communication. Yeah, whatever things were like mumbo jumbo, things were not spoken, it was all over the place, nobody was telling you exactly what it is, and this person was keeping you in confusion. Expect the confusion to clear out. So a lot of clear communication coming your way. This person is keeping tabs on you because they don't want to do things at a wrong time, so they want to be right. They are looking for the right opportunity when they can do that. But I can definitely sense someone coming with a marriage offer for you guys. But now, of course, if you are in high school, then this will not be marriage, guys. Okay, you should focus on your books. Okay, like don't focus on marriage right now. It's not your time. See, the Emperor. I'm not even kidding. The Emperor and the Empress. You are definitely in connection with someone who could be a soulmate, because we also have the Sun card. So this person looks like a soulmate. And it's like one of those very strong bonds which are inseparable. So no matter how much of a dickhead they become, they always come back to you, because you are a high level person and they are too. Okay. So very strongly we have Aries here, we have Taurus here, Leo is here, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Somebody looks at you like a wife or a husband, okay? Like this is not a girlfriend boyfriend thing going on here. This is like marriage and long-term thing. Page of 1. New beginnings, guys. Somebody is looking into have new memories with you, like they just want to go out, have fun with you, explore, see where it goes, and that sort of thing. They are giving you an opportunity because they fell flat on their face, because they thought you were never a real deal, and that backfired them. So now they want to make it right with you. I think somebody left you for someone, but it just backfired. Strength card. Ooh, that's like a lot of major arcanas here. 6 of Wands. Yeah, this person wants victory with you. I can definitely sense marriage here. I know some of you are not in that marriage age, but this spread is showing to me marriage, commitment, long term. So let's take Romance Angel card for you guys. Okay, give me a message for Libra. Give me a message. Oopsie. So we have free yourself and reconciliation. So it's like you are trying to free yourself from this person. You think they rejected you and now they will never come back, but they are looking for reconciliation. So when you are trying to free them they want a reconciliation with you. Soulmate and the freaking engagement. I was not kidding. When I was telling you this person is looking for engagement, marriage, high level commitment, I was serious about it. And this is because this person is a soulmate. It's like no matter how much you try to run away from each other, you always bump into each other. Alright, that was for people who are dealing with someone, but let's see for singles. So give me some cards for singles. My single Libra. 6 of Cups, reconciliation. That's the beauty of tarot. No matter you do for singles or you do for non-singles, when it's reconciliation energy in the zodiac, it's reconciliation. So yeah, you might be connecting with a water sign, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. Somebody's looking for a reconciliation. They want to have new beginning with you. They might be taking it a little slow, but it's a wish fulfillment. So yeah, again, you are doing some juju, you are doing some visualization, manifestation, or whatever. It looks like this reconciliation with this person is a wish for you and it's being granted. And again, So this person, they might have rejected you, but now they regret it. And you are so focused on the negativity because you also feel that if they rejected you, they will never come back. But you're not paying attention to the 2 cups here. And you know what 2 of cups in tarot is? It's a love offer. All right. So what will be this person's next move towards my single Libra? What's the move? See? Ace of Cups. Ace of Cups. Love offer, babies. Love offer. And I see this person might have breadcrumbed you in the past, and we have the fucking Lovers card. And we have the Moon. Again, Sun and Moon is denotes soulmate relationships, which are like connected on a very deep level and can't be broken off very easily. Yeah, you definitely have a soulmate connection here, guys, for both singles and not singles. All right, let's take a romance angel card for my singles. So love offer coming in after being rejected. So this person rejected you, but now they regret it. Give me a message for Libra, please. That was quick. So we have trust. So you just need to trust that this is going to happen, and heart-to-heart conversation. They want to... And the freaking wedding card, guys. See? So we got the engagement card for people who are not single, and for singles we again got the wedding card. That's the beauty of tarot. I'm showing you in the live shuffling that's how tarot works. When the energy is about commitment and long-term and marriage and engagement, it's going to come in both the piles. Okay? So yeah, I can definitely sense someone is very much interested in getting married to you, settling with you, and you just need to trust. I know your trust is a little bit broken, shaken right now, but if it is meant, it is meant. And this is meant. So yeah, that was a very, very beautiful reading. If you're getting married, do send me an invitation. And I will see you very soon in the next video. Till then, you guys take care. Bye.